Hi there, this is Christina with WTI, and I just have to ask you, have you ever seen a more beautiful essential oil diffuser than this one from Porseme? It is absolutely gorgeous. Now, what I love about this diffuser, aside from the beautiful colors that it puts out, is that these are each hand blown. And so each one is going to be a little bit different and unique. It has 4 different settings for a timer. It'll last up to 4 hours, but if you would like to just use your oils for an hour, 2 or 3 hours, you can set it for that as well. The one you're seeing here is the 100 milliliter of Fenty style. Now, when I got this in the mail, I thought I had gotten the wrong essential oil diffuser because of the silver look of it, but do not be afraid, because as you turn it on, those beautiful colors will show up. If you're looking for an oil diffuser that is absolutely beautiful, I definitely would recommend this one from Porseme, and that is my point of view.